There is no specific standard for utilities regarding allowable voltage droop for surface lateral conductors. However, the National Electrical Code, or NEC, recommends that voltage drop on a branch circuit should not exceed 5.0%. To accurately capture transient voltage measurements with reasonably priced equipment, consider the following steps. Firstly, use a data logger. A data logger can record voltage data at high sampling rates, for example, 120 Hz or higher. This will ensure that you capture the transient events. Secondly, place the sensors correctly. Place the voltage sensors as close as possible to the load, for example, the AC compressor, to minimize the impact of conductor resistance. Thirdly, use a high impedance oscilloscope. An oscilloscope with a high input impedance, for example, 1 megaohms or higher, will minimize the loading effect on the circuit. Fourthly, trigger the oscilloscope. Set the oscilloscope to trigger on the starting of the AC compressor. This will allow you to capture the initial voltage transient. To mitigate voltage droop and improve the stability of your electrical system, consider firstly installing a voltage regulator. A voltage regulator can compensate for voltage fluctuations and maintain a stable voltage level. Secondly, upgrading the service lateral conductors. Replacing the 1/0 AL conductors with a larger size, for example, 2/0 AL or 3/0 AL, can reduce voltage drop. Thirdly, reducing the load on the circuit. If possible, distribute the AC compressor load across multiple circuits to reduce the impact on a single conductor. Also, contact your utility to discuss the issue and explore any available mitigation options.